All right, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a real quick video because I seen this coming like 3 weeks ago when Razer and Govee made their announcement that they were going to be partnering with Razer's software to be able to control the entire room setup that you may have of your Govee lights, giving you that full gaming immersive experience, if you will. So 4 days ago or a few days ago, Corsair and Philips Hue have now announced their partnership. And I'm excited that this is going and it's starting to be a thing within the gaming reality. And so I guess I wanted to start a discussion here. Of those of you that have like crazy gaming setups, right? Do you use like one particular smart product? Are you all Philips? Are you all Govee? Are you LifeX? Are you some of the other brands? Like kind of what does your setup look like, and does this, because like when I did the last video there was some decent, I guess, response, and people watched it and things like that, but I know this is a really niche topic, right? Because not everybody has over the top setups, not everybody has like rooms full of lighting and things like that, but I'm curious to think, what is your thoughts on the Corsair and Philips Hue combination versus the Razer and Govee combination? Now, Philips, to what I guess what would be like your original RGB, kind of setup style like company, right? And they do smart products all over, but as far as like the first place to like kind of adopt it, like Philips, but they're so dang expensive. Like they are literally expensive, and it's interesting to me. I guess I'm jumping to my opinion. It's interesting to me that Philips and Corsair are now together, because like together they're like two mega giants, but they're also two very expensive brand heavy environments, if you will, and both of them make phenomenal products. I'm not knocking either one of these companies. They make phenomenal products. That new Corsair A1600B or something like that is like my laptop of my dreams, right, as a content creator. But like their product, I mean, and even when I started building out PCs, like my first computer build was all Corsair. I mean, the mouse, the monitor, the mouse, the keyboard, the fans, the lighting on the inside, the Commander Pro, the icue software, like the whole thing was Corsair. And to a point, it kind of still is, and I'm trying to get away from it. It's just really hard to find good fans. But what's your thoughts on that? Like this combination is like one of the more less affordable combinations in gaming setup aesthetics, period, right now, whereas Govee is very affordable and it's starting to get up there as well as they continue to grab market share. But Razer is known as kind of like your more expensive, less cost, efficient brand, although they do have amazing products as well. And so who's next? Like, do you think LifeX is going to partner with MSI Optics now? Do you think there's going to be a match now between Corsair and Govee, or Razer and Philips, like unofficially using hubs and software, and like the sync software that everybody's starting to use to kind of sync all of their products into one system or one software base. And so this is super interesting. I just wanted to make a discussion video to see if is anyone actually interested in these products. Like I'm kind of underwhelmed by the amount of attention they've gotten, and like the videos are really, really short, including the one that Corsair put out there was only 38 seconds long. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is this something you even pay attention to? I asked that on the last video. It wasn't that much of a response. This is kind of like one of those topics, like it's in between a short and a long form video, but it's long enough where I have to make a video here and not IG Reels or something like that. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Listen to me as I